Hey signers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are just learning sign language, this video is for you. Today, we're going to learn how to sign the 24 alphabets in NSL. That is the 24 English alphabets in NSL, Nigerian Sign Language. If you find this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified. Now, let's learn how to sign the English alphabet in NSL. You know, before you can think of the 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and the likes, you have to start from the alphabet. Likewise, the NSL. You have to start from the alphabet as well before you can think of, oh, I want to sign water, I want to sign father, I want to sign mommy, or whatever it is you want to sign. You have to know how to sign the alphabet. And that is why I'm going to be showing you how to sign the alphabet, so that can guide you through your growth in NSL. So to sign the first letter, which is A, it's going to be like this. My palm is like this. You know the popular thumbs up that we used to say now, thumbs up, which is like this. But now for the letter A, it's not going to be like this. It's just going to be like this, just like your thumbs up, which is like this. You just bring your letter A like this. See, that is A. Letter B, almost similar, like this. Just cross your thumb over your palm like this. B. For the C, you curve your hands to bring out the shape C like this. See, the C. For your D as well, just bring these 3 fingers together with the thumb together. 1, 2, 3. These 3 last fingers. Join it with this one. Join it together. Just bend it over like this to give it covalence. And leave this index finger standing like this. See, it takes the shape of the D. 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 And for the E, it's just like this. E. E. The 4 fingers, bend it over. Bend the 4 fingers over like this. Once you bend it over like this, like you're doing your A, bend it over like this. Then bring this thumb underneath the 4 fingers like E. And for the F, this is F. These 3 fingers, leave it up right here like this. And just bring your index and your thumb together like this. The next letter, G. I've not forgotten. G. The next one, H. The same position. This time around, you're not bending the 3 last fingers. It's just the 2 last fingers, the pinky and this one. You bend it like this. Just bend it down. Leave these 2 up, as if you still want to shoot a gun. Then bring this one over like this. Bring it over here. It's going to be like this. I'm sorry, it's just facing me. It's going to be like this. H. Then I. Just the pinky finger. No stress. Nothing. Just like this. I. The same with J. J. Just curve your hand as if you're writing the letter J. With the same pinky finger. You know this is I. Then just curve for J with the same pinky finger like this. J. Then K, giving you the letter K like this. Bend this over, these 2, bring it sideways like this. Then put this in the middle. K. K. Just put this in the middle. K. So we have the letter L, which is like this. Just bend these 3 and leave it up. Then M. You know, we've been curving the last 3 fingers, but here you just put your thumb in between your pinky finger and this second to the last finger. Just put it here like this. Just put it here like this so that it will guide you. Then these 3, you bring it. Once you put your thumb here, just bend this over, then bring these 3 down. M. Same with N. You know, M was here. Then for N, it's going to be here instead. Instead of it being here, it's going to be here. Just bring your thumb right here. Bring these two down. Then these two. Close it up. N. O. Just O. Next letter, which is P. It's just, you know, when you're doing the K is like this. Like this, like this. So just bring it down. P. Same with Q. Q is also facing down. So for the Q, you bring this together, these three fingers, fold them together like this, just fold them. Then this one, instead of doing the L, just curve it a little bit, just curve the two fingers a little bit like this. You know, when it's straight, it's just going to be like this, but you curve it for Q. Curve it like this, see? Curved. Then bring it down. Q. Q. So R is the next letter. It's going to be like this index and this middle finger crossed together like this. R. The next letter S, like this. T. The thumb in between the index and the middle finger like this. T. U. U. Right now you're not even doing anything, just like you want to sign the letter R, but you're not folding it. You're just going to do it like this. Letter U, because it's similar to the letter V. So when you're signing the letter U, make sure this finger and this finger are together like this. So that's the difference. U together, and the V is just like this. V is like this, giving you the letter V. W, just bring this one out. W, three lines, W. Then X, like this. Fold these three down, bring your thumb over, then your index finger, which is facing the sky, just curve it a bit, curve it a bit like this. Then the Y, like this. Everything except the thumb and the pinky finger goes down. So this three goes down like this, giving you Y. Y. Then the letter Z. Use your index finger to write like this. Learning the alphabet in NSL is very much important, just like when you start from the kindergarten to the primary to the secondary. You know, they have to groom you, they have to be with you, teach you, and you start with A, B, C, D before moving to 2-letter words, 3-letter words, and the like. So that's it with NSL or any other language you're trying to learn. You have to start from the scratch. You have to start from, you know, the beginner's level. So one reason for learning the alphabet in NSL is to help you grow, is to groom you in the long run before you can start signing other big words. At least know the basic, so that if you're short of words, if you're stuck, you can use the finger spelling, which is the alphabet. Finger spell the alphabet out. Another reason for learning the alphabet in NSL is that it can help you when you're short of words. Like for instance, you don't remember a particular sign, or you're having a conversation with someone. Just imagine a scenario in your head. You are having a conversation with someone, you don't remember a particular sign. You can't stop your conversation because you don't remember a particular sign. If the gist is sweet, you will continue, you know. You can't stop because you don't remember a particular word. You have to finger spell it. You understand? So you finger spell it. That's where your alphabet comes in. That's why learning the alphabet in NSL is very much important. It comes through for you when you don't remember a particular word, or there are some words that you don't know. Let's say you don't even know some words and you want to pass that message, just finger spell. At least you still pass the same message. Another reason for learning the alphabet in NSL is that it can help you when you are dealing with complicated words or words that you don't even know. Let's say it's a native word, like our native words, you know, like some words, like there's one Yoruba word like falomo. You don't expect me to start translating the meaning to someone when I am talking, when I am gisting. I will just finger spell it if I don't remember, or if I don't even know the sign for it, because obviously that place will not have a sign because it's not an English word. So basically, I will just finger spell it. You understand? So another reason for learning the alphabet in NSL is just to groom you, to help you grow, to help you improve. After learning the alphabet in NSL, you can now learn other words from there. But learning the alphabet is just like the basic. Like I said before, it's just to help you grow. Thank you for watching. Please kindly like, subscribe, and be notified. So till I catch you guys next time, keep learning NSL.